It never ceases to amaze us how so many popular celebrities have lent their versatile voices to animated characters over the years. Chances are, you've watched and loved many of such characters without even realizing whose voice it was. Allow us to present to you in today's video 15 of the most popular characters that were voiced by famous celebrities. Number 15. The Lion King, Jonathan Taylor Thomas. The Lion King has been a Disney classic for as far back as us millennials can remember. Much has been said about the celebrity casting in the 2019 movie, but a lot of people don't realize that the original film had celebrities among its cast members too. For example, young Simba was voiced by a popular child artist of the 1990s. Jonathan Taylor Thomas popularly voiced Simba in the animated cinema giant The Lion King. Early in his career, Jonathan Taylor Thomas had played Greg Brady's son in the 1990 sequel series The Bradys. He went on to star as one of Tim Allen's sons in Home Improvement, and he soon graced most issues of teen magazines throughout much of the 1990s. The down-to-earth child actor stayed out of the spotlight as an adult. Number 14. Family Guy, Mila Kunis. Meg Griffin is the sassy teenage daughter on the Seth MacFarlane popular TV series Family Guy. She doesn't look or act much of anything like the famous actress who portrays her. It's Mila Kunis who provides the voice for Meg. Mila has enjoyed many starring roles in films such as Oz the Great and Powerful and Bad Moms. A lesser-known fact, however, is that Mila Kunis wasn't always the voice behind Meg. She was first portrayed by Seth's sister, Rachel MacFarlane, in the show's original plot. Then, for the rest of the first season of the show, the character was voiced by Lacey Chabert, the actress who rose to fame as the precocious youngest sister on Party of Five. Mila Kunis has been playing Meg most of the time since the show's second season. Number 13. Fantastic Mr. Fox, George Clooney. Fantastic Mr. Fox is a well-acclaimed Wes Anderson film that largely is a departure from the type of movies the quirky director is known for making. The stop-motion animated movie was based on Roald Dahl's children's book of the same name. The title character Mr. Fox is sometimes called Foxy, and he was voiced by George Clooney. George Clooney beautifully voiced Mr. Fox in the film, and it went on to be so well received that it bagged not only one but 2 Academy Award nominations. Away from the colorful life of animated films, Clooney has recently called for a boycott over the Brunei LGBT death penalty. George Clooney is becoming just as well known for his serious endeavors as an activist as he is for his starring roles as an actor. Number 12. Peanuts, Fergie. Superstar Fergie, real name Stacey Ann Ferguson, has been a hardworking and versatile performer since she was a child star. She was in elementary school when she first took interest in television, a courtesy of the Disney Channel show Kids Incorporated. She was a mere child when she provided the iconic voice of Sally Brown, Charlie Brown's little sister, in several specials from the Peanuts franchise. Fergie was also the voice of Sally Brown in the television special It's a Flash Beagle, Charlie Brown and Snoopy's Getting Married, Charlie Brown. She further went on to portray Sally in a future season of the Charlie Brown and Snoopy show. However, let it be known, Fergie's not the only famous person to have portrayed Sally. Jodie Sweetin, who once again played Stephanie Tanner in Fuller House, played Sally Brown in It's Christmas Time Again, Charlie Brown, along with Mindy Ann Martin. Number 11. Happy Feet, Hugh Jackman. Happy Feet is a popular film that can best be sincerely described as super cute and adorable. The 2006 computer-animated musical is both funny and sweet. It was directed, co-written, and produced by George Miller. While many celebrities lent their voices to characters in Happy Feet, a lot of people don't realize that Hugh Jackman was the voice behind the infamous character Memphis. Memphis was popular as being an apt name for a character whose song is Heartbreak Hotel by Elvis Presley. He even first appeared on screen reciting that ever-classic Elvis tune. Nicole Kidman plays his wife Norma Jean in the film, and Elijah Wood portrays his loving son Mumble. Other celebrities in the movie include Robin Williams, Brittany Murphy, and Steve Irwin. Number 10. Shrek, Cameron Diaz. Princess Fiona from Shrek is a rather unique sort of princess, as she was a beautiful princess who yet suffered from a special curse, that of being transformed into an ogress every single night. She was fully determined to break the curse until she fell in love with an ogre named Shrek. Starting with the original Shrek film, Princess Fiona was voiced by the gorgeous Cameron Diaz. Diaz provided the voice of Princess Fiona in Shrek, Shrek 2, Shrek the Third, and Shrek Forever After, which basically mean the entire Shrek flagship. The male lead, Shrek himself, is also portrayed in all films by a well-known actor, Mike Myers of Austin Powers fame. Cameron Diaz told the New York Times that she matured during her time voicing Princess Fiona, and she genuinely hopes and is fully willing to do it again. Number 9. Rise of the Guardians, Alec Baldwin. Rise of the Guardians was a 2012 3D computer animated hit that was partly based on the book series The Guardians of Childhood by William Joyce. The whimsical characters in the film are famous figures from every 90s child's childhood, such as the Tooth Fairy, the Sandman, the Easter Bunny, and of course, Santa Claus. The last character of the lot, Santa Claus, is portrayed by an actor who first rose to fame in the 1980s. Alec Baldwin is the voice of Santa Claus in Rise of the Guardians. His character Nicholas St. North, Santa Claus, is supposed to be the Guardian of Wonder, him being the leader of the Guardians. Other famous actors who voice-acted characters in the film include Chris Pine, Hugh Jackman, Isla Fisher, and Jude Law. Number 8. Stuart Little, Michael J. Fox. Stuart Little is perhaps one of the most recognized characters in the history of classic children's fiction. The 1999 family comedy was based on the novel Stuart Little by E.B. White. While much of the movie is live action, 2 characters are created using animatronic props, live animals, and CGI or computer generation images. Stuart Little is voiced by Michael J. Fox, who himself is never physically seen in the film. Michael J. Fox had already enjoyed a massively successful career on television as the star of Family Ties in the 1980s when he signed on to do Stuart Little. He had also starred in such fan-beloved movies as Back to the Future and Doc Hollywood. Nathan Lane also voices the character of Snowbell and isn't seen on screen. Number 7. Ponyo, Tina Fey. Ponyo happens to have been a long-time anticipated animated film for quite some time until finally hit theaters in 2008. The charming, sweet animated feature film was considered a rather loose adaptation of the classic Hans Christian Andersen tale The Little Mermaid. It's about a 5-year-old boy who develops a close friendship with a young goldfish princess named Ponyo. The character Lisa stands out in part owing to the funny lady portraying her. Tina Fey provides the voice of Lisa in Ponyo. Lisa was the mother of Sasuke, the 5-year-old boy who had befriended the special goldfish. She is shown as free-spirited as she engages Ponyo in deep discussions about her overprotective dad who hates humans, and in one memorable popular scene, she suggests they start eating with dessert since it's a backwards sort of day, which is since before a massively popular quote from the movie. Number 6. Bolt, John Travolta. Bolt is undoubtedly an unforgettable white-haired German Shepherd dog whom is the leading character in the movie of the same name. Bolt is a dog who stars in his own television show wherein he plays a superhero with amazing superpowers, but unfortunately, Bolt begins to suffer from the delusion that the superpowers his character has are real. The 2008 movie Bolt from Walt Disney Animation Studios starred John Travolta as the voice of the main character. John Travolta is better known for his work in front of the screen, but his talents shine in his voiceover work in the film too. He admitted that he turned down a lot of voice work in animated films in the past, yet he just really clicked with the character of Bolt when he read the script. It is said that the animators used John Travolta's facial expressions as inspiration while animating the film. Number 5. Tangled, Mandy Moore. Disney has forever been creating mind-blowing masterpieces with its advanced live-action adaptations of its classic princess cartoons. So it stands to reason that it may soon try a live-action adaptation of Tangled, the story of Rapunzel. If Disney does adapt the animated feature, fans argue that they may want to go with the original actress who voiced the character. Mandy Moore portrayed Rapunzel in Tangled. You may remember more from her pop hits of the late 1990s and early 2000s. She sang songs as Candy and I Wanna Be With You. She also starred in A Walk to Remember and The Princess Diaries. And she recently has starred in the hit show This Is Us. Number 4. The Lego Movie, Morgan Freeman. Alongside ever-famous superhero Batman, Vitruvius is one of the two Tritagonists in the Lego Movie. The unusual character is blinded and then sadly killed in the course of the movie. He is mysteriously decapitated using nothing but a coin. Yes, this is a kid's film. Vitruvius plays an important role in the film though, and he is portrayed by prolific star Morgan Freeman. Morgan Freeman, much like his other popular works, plays Vitruvius in a straightforward way, and it's of essence to add that this was not his first time in the Batman world. He portrayed Lucius Fox in The Dark Knight and The Dark Knight Rises. Morgan Freeman has also starred in such films as The Bucket List and Now You See Me. Josh Robert Thompson provided the voice of Vitruvius in the Lego Movie video game. Number 3. Megamind, Will Ferrell. Megamind is a dynamic character from the film of the same name. He is an alien refugee from a galaxy that's known as Glaupung Quadrant. He is the last known member of his species since all the residents of his planet were thought to perish when his home planet was swallowed by a black hole. He is portrayed by one of the comedians who got the start on Saturday Night Live and who went on to have an extremely successful film career. Will Ferrell voices Megamind in the 2010 animated film that was popularly released in both 2D and 3D. The inspiration for the character came from prolific sources such as Superman and The Godfather. Will Ferrell is best known for his leading roles in films such as Elf and Anchorman, The Legend of Ron Burgundy. Number 2. Shrek, Eddie Murphy. The popular animated film Shrek partially owes its success to the many lovable characters, those who were full of substance, that added vibrancy and life to the story. The actors who bring them to life also played a huge part in how much audiences embrace those characters. The donkey character in Shrek, who is simply called Donkey, was voiced by a legendary movie star known for his irreverent comedies. Eddie Murphy voiced Donkey in the 4 primary Shrek films: Shrek, Shrek 2, Shrek the Third, and Shrek Forever After. He also played the character in the TV special Shrek the Halls. Donkey has a complex relationship with Shrek throughout the film, although the two ultimately became the best of friends. Eddie Murphy was nominated for multiple Annie Awards for his portrayal of Donkey. Number 1. Despicable Me, Russell Brand. Despicable Me is the film that's the culprit for the yellow minions that you now see everywhere. The computer-animated Universal Pictures comedy centers around an anti-hero named Gru, a supervillain who schemes to do all kinds of evil deeds. He is voiced by Steve Carell, but not many people realize that the voice of fellow character Dr. Nefario was also starred by a popular celebrity. Dr. Nefario is, well, needless to say, nefarious. His full name is Joseph Albert Nefario. Funny actor Russell Brand voices Dr. Nefario in Despicable Me and Despicable Me 2. The world-acclaimed popular actor has been in such other films as Bedtime Stories and Forgetting Sarah Marshall. He also had a cameo as himself in Katy Perry, Part of Me, with his ex-wife, Katy Perry. Ladies and gentlemen, with that, we come to an end to today's enlightening video. If you would like to watch more of such interesting and enjoyable content, don't forget to join us next time. Goodbye!